Viewers, in this video I show you how to pick color from image. So click image color picker, then select an image and I select multiple color image. It's easy for selected color. Here, if I click the ball color change, use this code your targeted platform or your project. Here you see I selected another color, white, black, this, in this. Automatic change the color with code. I hope it's very helpful for your career. Thank you.